Hey everybody, John Nesbitt from the Customer Factory here again. So I have this is my second release video actually of today. First time we actually done 2 in one day. We have another service upgrade, a new release that we put out for our clients. It's a new method of targeting that we've developed over here. For example, you may right now target, if you're running Facebook ads, you may be targeting radius, for example, like anywhere within 20 miles of your office. And we found actually that's one of the worst ways to target because traffic patterns don't work in perfect circles, right? No, cities don't work in perfect circles. It's sort of a best guess way to do it, right? And best guess in this marketplace, in this environment, is basically means you're going to start losing. Because if the guys will make better guesses than you, and they'll start taking away your business. We also found a lot of companies say, okay, good, I know, I'm just going to target all these zip codes, right? And they do these zip codes, or they do a certain process by which they choose zip codes, and that's not the ideal either. We actually found that is okay, it's better than radius, but it's not enough all on its own. We actually found a way to put these two processes together in a fancy mathematical way. Remember, we've got math guys working for us. That actually gives us the absolute best possible targeting that we know how to do, that I think that anybody knows how to do, to make sure that your ads are really going to only to the people who are most likely to respond to your ads and to come in, right? No use in advertising to people who can't do that. And there's a lot of mistakes that people make when it comes to advertising, just the geographic part of the advertising, which seems to be one of the simplest things. Oh, I live in blah blahville, I'll just target blah blahville. No. I mean, you can do that and you still might work, but there's a much better way. Anyway, so we've got this new kind of hyper targeting thing going out. It's rolled out to most clients by now. So if you're a client, you're already getting this. If you're not a client, maybe consider checking us out. I mean, we've got a lot of new innovation. We're constantly coming with new things like this on how to improve results for our clients and be more and more profitable. You can find all about it at thecustomerfactory.net, where you can see all our other testimonials and all the people who love us. But the best thing you really should do is just contact us to get a service demonstration. We'll show you how all this works. You can decide if the program is right for you. We can see if your area is still available, because we only take one client per area, and basically see if we can basically help each other do well. Because basically our goal is to help you reach more people with your message, so that you are more prosperous and do well. And of course, that helps us out because we're your vendor, okay? Anyway, I look forward to talking to you. Hopefully you'll come check us out. And if you're already a client, don't worry about this. It's automatically being added to your account as something we automatically do. We'll be tightening up whatever targeting. Your campaign manager will talk to you about it, all right? Take care.